Hello, this is Todd Lane from Utilise IT. I'm just going to demonstrate how we can actually log on to the CapDemo website. Obviously the first thing we need to do is ensure that the certificates are installed on the machine. I just run through that on a previous video, so I'd encourage you to watch that. Next, all we need to do is go and open up an Internet Explorer window, and then we need to go up the top into the menu there and type https://cap demo.utiliseit.com.au. Very important, it has to have the S in there. There's no www, it's just capdemo.utiliseit.com.au. So if we hit enter, it's going to go off to that website, and we'll be asked for our credentials because it's a private site. So what we can do here is, I already have it here, but just to demonstrate it, we can go down and select use another account. So that's what you would be doing on your machine. And what we need to do is we need to type the name of the domain, which is Contoso, then a backslash, then the name of the user logging on, and the password, of course. Hit OK, and that will take us to the demonstration website. You'll notice that if I refresh that, you can see there that the secure certificate has been is installed and working correctly. This isn't really a demonstration about how to have a look over the site, but I'll show you a couple of quick things really quick. The first thing I want to draw your attention to is on the right hand side here, it is showing who is logged on. So if we click on the drop down there, we have some options there that I'd encourage you to have a look over, which is what I put in my email. One option is obviously to sign in as a different user, so we can do that. And the other main one I'd like to show is the links over here on the left hand side. So if we click on the links button, what it will do is give us a number of links there on some demonstration features that I've set up. So for example, if we went and clicked on the help desk one, it's going to bring us over into the help desk intranet site. With that, we could create a service request, click on over here and start filling in the details and so forth. Obviously this could be entirely customized, but I just wanted to pop something up there to show you some of the possibilities that are available with SharePoint. Now, to get back to the main SharePoint site, I would just encourage you at this stage to click on the back button, and that's going to take us back to our main page. So we could go and click on our National Directors blog, and you can see there this is a site that allows us to do blogs. Again, just hit go back, and there you go. You can obviously rate the links and lots of other things on the system. The other thing I wanted to do is, let's just log out of the system and sign in as somebody else. So if we click on the sign out button there, and just very quickly go back in. This time I'm going to log in as a different person, so again we must have the word Contoso. So what I'm going to do now is log on to Ross. Only Ross knows his password. This is a totally demonstration site, so there's no private information on there, nothing that needs to be worried about, but I just want to demonstrate that the system is working with a number of selected people with their own personal logon. So we've popped in Ross's details. We must have the Contoso backslash at the start, and we click on OK, and what that will do is will log us on as Ross. If we scroll up to the right hand side there, you can see that we're logged on as Ross. We can go off and have a look at those links and so on. Now, the other thing I wanted to very quickly show you as I wrap this up is some of the features over here. If we click on the drop down box and we want to look at, in fact, I'm just going to quickly log off and log on to somebody that I know has some information in there. So if we've just demonstrated that we can log in as Ross and the system is working. So if we sign in as a different user now, this is a pre-configured user, Erica Chile. Now, what I wanted to demonstrate, and I've got this in the email, but if we go down, if we go up to the top there and click on Erica's profile, what's going to happen is we're going to get an error message. And the reason why is that the system is trying to actually go off to a site that doesn't exist. So what we need to do is we need to simply select the first part of that link and just change it to be our CAP demo one. So it's https:// capdemo.utilize.it.com.au. I'm just going to copy that, and if I hit enter now, that will bring up the correct page. It's going to ask, do we want to look over a secure connection, which we do. And now we can see some additional information in regards to Erica Chile. Notice how with the availability, if Erica happened to be online and logged in right now, she'd be we'd have a little green square there indicating that we could chat to her right now. So you can go and click on the organisation and charts and content and all this sort of stuff and do that accordingly. Again, if we went up to another one of these settings, for example my site, again we're going to get an error message. So if we just replace the http://intranet.contoso.com to be our proper one, which is capdemo.utilize.it.com.au, as you can see what I've just entered in there, then you'll be able to get in and look at these extra features. So good luck having a look around the Cap Demo SharePoint website. Just to log off, we scroll down and sign out. And one last thing I'll quickly do is we'll go and try the same in Firefox, just to prove that it's all working there as well. https://capdemo.utilize.it.com.au, no www. Helps if I spell it right. Utilize. Okay, we understand the risks, we add the exception, we get the certificate, confirm it, and now we're just getting asked for the username. So again, it's Contoso / in actual fact, let's try a different user. I'm just waiting for the site to come up. And there we are. So we're logged on now. Up on the right hand side we can see the user who we're logged on as. So we can see we've successfully logged on as Troy Carthew. And everything's right to go. So I'll just log out of that, clicking on the drop down, sign out, and that's all for this demonstration. Thank you for your time.